Today we're going to show you how to change the upper rack slide roller on your dishwasher. And it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a small 1/4-inch socket. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair we will need to remove the upper rack. So we're going to begin by opening the dishwasher door, and then we'll pull the rack forward until we can access the rack stops on each side. In this model we simply push back on the locking tab and rotate the rack stop towards the center, and then remove it. Then we can pull the rack completely out of the dishwasher, and then we'll put it on a suitable work surface where we can do the repair. Now that we have the rack on a suitable work surface, we can replace that wheel. Now it's held in place with a split flange on the end of that little axle, and it won't come off until we compress that flange, which we can't because the rod from the rack protrudes through the center of it. So we'll have to pop that whole assembly off. We'll just spread these 2 tabs on the bottom, just enough to pop it off. And then using about a 1/4-inch small socket that will fit over that tapered end on that split flange, we can compress it enough that it will allow the wheel to slide right off. We simply snap the new one in place and then put the whole assembly back on. Make sure that it snaps firmly onto the side of the rack, and then we're ready to reinstall the rack. We'll pull the slide rails out, engage both rear wheels first. And then both front wheels. Now pull the racks out past the front wheels, and then we'll reinstall the rack stops. We engage the bottom of the rack stop first, and spread that locking tab towards the back, rotate it into position, and then pull that locking tab forward to hold it in place. Do the same for the opposite side. And our repair is complete.